Okay, what is up, dudes? Or not dudes, people. What's up, people? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Happy New Year! It's a new year. New year, same shit. Okay? Alright, new year. New year, same shit. And what I mean by that is I'm still doing the same stuff. I'm still like making stuff. Let's see, stream health. How we doing? Day. Audio bit rate. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. YouTube. Alright. And I need my Quidditch. There we go. Here we go. Okay. Oh, I hope everybody had a lovely New Year, a lovely, happy New Year celebrations. Oh yeah, maybe I should turn that off because the stream. Oh wait, no, I don't need to turn it off. It's gonna turn off anyway. It's gonna swoop as soon as the timer ends, which is actually really cool, and I really like that feature. Okay, I heavily enjoy that feature. It did not swoop. It did. Okay. Made me look like a liar in front of the whole right on live on national TV. On national TV. Excuse me. But I hope everybody had a lovely what was it? Oh. Shit. Yeah, I need a single place to update all of I have like stream title somewhere around here. Hello? Oh god. Hello? Are you good? I just heard a notification, I just heard a noti that said PC disconnected. Even though my PC is literally like a pinky away. So that's not good. I hope I'm audible. OBS says that I'm audible, so I'm going to trust OBS. That may prove to be a mistake, but for now, that's all I got. All right. Yeah. So yeah, just gonna do a little bit of initial stream starting up, shooting the shit. Okay, I'm a little not on time. I was so hot, yo. Yesterday, dude. Yesterday, I did so much pre-stream work. You see this? Y'all see the Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. You see the YouTube thumbnail? You see that? Yeah, I did that. I mean, I did it in 3D Paint and not like Photoshop because I opened up Photoshop. So like I'm sitting there. It's Sunday. Sunday evening. It's like 10 or no, it's like 9. It's like 8:30. I opened up Photoshop and I'm like, So we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna, at least like for now. We're not gonna do that for a minute. We'll get to fancy Photoshop thumbnails, eventually, because that's kind of what I want to do. I want to like make a new thumbnail for every stream, because it's cool, and I would need to practice in making thumbnails. I would like them. Um, and yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just want practice to make a thumbnail, so I made a thumbnail. I like it. It's like it's the hard thing about streams though is that it's like I guess I could like I guess this is where like having a a a an idea like an initial like idea of what you're going to do on the stream like comes in handy because at that point um you in order to make like I think good stream title and thumbnails you're going to need to know what that is, right? So as the schedule states, we will be doing lots of things today. This is the introduction, as always. Always the introduction is like, I think I'm gonna try and keep the introduction to like the first like, I don't know, 20 minutes, first like 20 minutes of stream. Because we are working under time constraints here, so you know. So I'm gonna keep the intro to like 20 minutes. But I hope everybody had a good weekend, holiday, enjoyed their time off of work if that was a thing, or like school, or like I honestly don't know how how old the audience is. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, I got blackout drunk for the first time ever. I got so drunk that I passed out. That was pretty cool. It's and there's a bunch of pictures. There's a bunch of pictures on my phone now that my friends took. Most of them are blurry, which you know, not cool. But there's a few of them that like aren't blurry and are actually pretty good photos. That I really like them. I didn't notice them until yesterday. So like, you know, New Year's was what like 2 days ago. So yeah, I didn't notice them until yesterday, and I was like, bro. Nice. Works. Nice. Nice. Although these probably need to be moved over a little bit more, but yeah. They probably need to be moved over so it can like sit properly, but yeah, oh sorry. What are you doing, man? You're not even showing us the stream. You're right. I'm not showing you the stream. Ooh, nice. All right. Give me a second. Completely forgot about that. Completely forgot about that. After all my stream prep, I forgot to start a piece of software that I need to have my stream go. That's pretty funny actually. All right. I think we're good. We're good? We're good. Now I'm up there. Alright, so this is what I'm doing. So this is the first thing on the actually I lied. I'm gonna keep probably like I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. 15, 20 minutes. I was supposed to be live with my Engine X. Reason why I was late, right? Reason why I was late, a couple minutes I was late, is because my Engine X server was just down. Like I walked in here, perfect time, right on time. I walked in here, right, perfect time. Okay, what do I see? What do I see after I hit the go live button? Failed to connect to server. Failed to connect to server. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. So, yeah, that's why I was late. I had to restart my Engine X server. I was really hoping that like when I all it needed was a restart and like just restart Nginx via SSH, and that is in fact all I needed. So so yeah, that's good. But that was why I was late. That's why I fucked up. But all right, let's get in. Let's get into it today. So just to give a rundown of what we're doing today. What we're going to be doing today is I did a whole lot of work, as you can see, with the enclosure. I still haven't designed. I still haven't finished the design. The design isn't over, but it's very close to being kind of maybe sort of complete. All right, sort of. Okay. Now, um, I still need a design. I've also figured out. I also figured out I don't need an Arduino. I was thinking about this yesterday, well, not yesterday, but I was thinking about this over the weekend. I was like, I don't need an Arduino. I do not need an Arduino. And here's why. The Raspberry Pi already has digital inputs and outputs. I don't need analog. Now, the reason why I thought I needed an Arduino was because I was like, oh, what if I want to put like battery charging in this? But fuck it. I'm not gonna have a I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut that. What I was gonna cut is like having the Arduino like sense the voltage of the battery to like trigger a light in order to um in order to trigger a light in order to like let the user know to charge it. Like, oh, it's getting low, charge it. But no, I'm not going to do that because that's added complexity, added space, and increases the scope of the project. And I want to complete this project. That's what I want. I want to complete this project. I don't want to like have it languishing. And I'm not saying like, oh, dude, adding a battery voltage like sensor that's gonna be the thing that like breaks the project. Like I don't necessarily think that's the case, but like the leaner the project can be and still meet like the core design requirements, the better, right? So I've decided that I'm gonna just put one of these 18650 cells right in here, and we're just gonna put that in there. We're just gonna put that in there along with one of these. These are the I don't remember. I don't know what they're called. The TCP 4026. I don't know. I don't know what they're called. I don't remember numbers. But basically, it's a lipo charger protection IC, right? So I can charge it. I can charge the. Yeah, it is. Ooh, I don't know. I can charge the battery via micro USB, which I hate, but whatever. And then I can like power my circuit, power the Raspberry Pi, and then that's the terminals for the battery back there. But yeah, that's what we're gonna end up doing. And so, just general practice is that I'm just gonna charge it every time I'm done using it. Like that's it. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. And so the way I have designed this, the way this is going to look is that here on the bottom, and I do need to design another one of these because I need to bring this out. But so here at the bottom, we're going to have the rotary encoder for the bezel mechanism, which works pretty well, by the way. And then we're just going to have the battery, and then we're going to have the battery, and then we're going to have the charger IC, right? And then on the level on top of this, because there's going to be a level on top of this, this is like the push button part. And then, oh yeah, I'm also going to have this push button in here. But yeah. And then on top of this is going to be the portion where the Raspberry Pi and the LCD screen are sitting. And then I'm just going to run I'm going to do like a really short, like, just do some cables. Just going to connect Raspberry Pi to the LCD via some cables really quick, and obviously we're going to run all the cables to where they need to be. And the cables will have enough slack in them for them not to like get like jostled around, right? All right, so check this out. This is what I made over the weekend, right? We got tons of prototypes. Look at all the prototypes we made. Look at all the iterations. We did iterations. We went from like massive scales to like, reasonable scales. We went from way too fucking big, way too big, way too big to perfect sized, okay? Then we went from perfect size. Okay. Here's some of my favorite things about the enclosure design. Um, Actually, my favorite thing about the enclosure design is this right here. So check this out. So this is the bezel. This is the updated version of the bezel. Um, check this out. Check this out. All right. Boom, boom. They flip together like that, and then you can turn it. Now this is still a little hard to turn, mainly because 3D prints weren't made to turn like this. I want to make it easier to turn. I have to look up how to do that. I guess like less contact area, right? I think probably making this shorter, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea how to make it easier to turn, but I'd like. Well, I mean, obviously, if you're like a smart person, you'd like use a what is it? What are those things? A bearing. You'd use a bearing. You'd use like one of those thick bearing boys, right? Which not a bad idea. It's actually a really good idea, but again, one of the goals for this project is not have to buy anything. Hello? What the fuck, dude? Holy shit. Holy shit. What is going on? Why my headset keeps like disconnecting from the from the I don't even know where the dongle is. Okay, anyway. But the creme de la creme is I got these little tabbies. I got little tabbies on the inside here. They're like little like just 3D printed like pegs. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? You can kind of see them. You can kind of, dude. I hate this. What the fuck is your problem? Why are you freaking out? Relax. Hello? Hello? Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, good morning. What's up? I don't know how long that message was there. I didn't see it. I'm sorry. Hi. Hello. Good morning. Good sir or madam or them or those betwixt. I don't know what your pronouns are. All right. But yeah, I'm just explaining the general I'm doing the enclosure update because I did a lot of work on the enclosure. Some of it I'm actually pretty fucking proud of, to be quite honest. Like this whole like bezel mechanism was like a really important part of the design, and I pretty much have it. There are definitely some issues, obviously. Yeah. Like, oh, not very long. Okay, cool. Um, yeah, there are definitely some issues here, but I definitely want to, and I'm going to fix them, improve them. That's going to be the next iteration of this. But check this out, okay? This is the rotating bezel, and then I'm gonna turn it, and the encoder turns. Look at that! Hell yeah! They're not the gears aren't meshed, but because that's where the issue there is because where the encoder is sitting. But look at that! Look at that! Look at this! Boom! Oh wait, you can't even see it because my hand's in the way. But like, yeah, check this out. It squeaks too. I don't know if you can hear that, but it squeaks. There's nice. What? This streams audio. What is YouTube's problem? That's what I want to know. What the hell? is YouTube's problem, dude? Why is lower than the what what what? Am I not doing that? Am I not streaming audio? Can no one hear me? I don't know what the problem is. Oh, okay. All right, cool. Yeah. So this, I have no idea if I'm even streaming audio. YouTube's like, bro, your audio bitrate's like 0, and I'm like, stop it. Also, so yeah, that's the enclosure part, but we're not done. Oh, sounds here. Sounds good. All right, dope. All right, fuck YouTube then. Got it. Even heard the squeak. That's awesome. Oh, so happy you heard the squeak. Yeah, I have to figure out how to make that. Oh shit! Fuck! God damn it! I have to figure out how to make that. How to make that more. How to make this like easy to turn. Because like even without driving the gear, it's still kind of hard to turn. I mean that's because like 3D prints aren't made to do that, but maybe like you could like lube them up or I don't know. I have no idea, like some sort of oils. Maybe they need like a set of essential oils, all right, to kind of like get maybe they need some KY touch. You know what I mean? Know what I'm saying? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Okay. And then the other thing that I did, which is also pretty dope, is I did this. So unfortunately, I won't be able to like run them all together, just because of like the length of the wire, and I don't really. We're not really there. We're not at dry test level yet. That doesn't look right. Is right? Oh, yeah, that is right. I was like, that doesn't look right. Okay. All right. So now, observe, behold. Now this, full disclosure, it's gonna be a lot harder for you to like engage with. 100%. I understand that. Because, and this is something I need to fix on the LCD here. It's gonna be real difficult for you to actually see what's going on the LCD. I have a scene for this, right? Probably. Wait. No. It's gonna be real hard to see what's going on in the LCD. That's all I got. But basically, what the issue, or not the issue is of why it's gonna be hard to see is the issue is gonna be that like I think the LCD is like the brightness setting is set odd. It's set strangely. So it's like preventing. Oh shit. What the fuck? I'm trying to SSH into my Raspberry Pi, and apparently I can't. All right, let's try this one more time. What? All right. Okay, wait. I think the problem was. Okay, wait. Here we go. Okay, wait. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're in. The world needs bigger OLED displays. True. I have an OLED display, right? I have a it's very tiny. It's very, well, I can get it. It's extremely tiny. Hope it's in here. I have a very tiny OLED display that is not where I thought it was. Never mind. I don't know where it is. But it's literally like this big. It is unironically, the tiny OLED display I have is, it's like 20, is that? like 27 millimeters, like long, like this way, right? And then it's about 10 millimeters like thick. It's very thin. It's very very tiny. All right. So what was I doing? I need to start my Python, right? LCD testing. All right. Can you see that? No, you can't. You can kind of see it, like a little bit, like a little. Is there anything I can do here? Absolutely anything. Let me bring it closer. You can ever so faintly see it. It says "Good Morning World" on it because when I typed it, I was thinking about I was thinking about what was that? Was that an anime? What the fuck is that anime? Holy shit! What was I thinking about? Doctor Stone. I was thinking about Doctor Stone, and that's the opening to Doctor Stone. Okay. Wait. Can I zoom? I can zoom, right? Right? Wait. I have to be able to zoom. You have to let me zoom. You. It is illegal. Hey! I was like, it is illegal to not let me zoom. It is literally illegal. All right, you can totally see that, kind of. You look really closely if you squint. You like. Okay, wait, that's too much. Oh, that's the wrong direction. Boom. Oh no, that's the wrong direction. Boom! Look at that. It says "Good Morning World" right there. You see it? See that? See it so hard, and then also my fingers, which are massive. But then we turn it, and then it changes. It changes. It says rotor value. It reads out the rotor value. I was able to get the rotor set up with the Raspberry Pi, and I was able to get the LCD set up with the Raspberry Pi because this is basically all of our hardware right here. All the hardware for the project is right here, right? The only other thing that's going to be added is a little click boy. That's it. Everything else is here. Literally everything else is here. Everything else. I mean, I felt right when I was doing this. I felt accomplished. Okay, all right. Now that I'm like displaying it, it doesn't really feel like the biggest flex anymore. But when I was doing it, I was like, damn, this is I'm doing pretty good. All right, we're having a grand old time over here. So anyway, that is that. That is the enclosure update. That is the hardware flex. Okay. As the schedule states. All right. So now what I want to do is do a little circuit schematic. I'm gonna do a little bit of circuit schematic-ing. We're gonna do that on the whiteboard. I fixed the whiteboard finally. I fixed the whiteboard camera, where it doesn't like shit on me. Although I think the resolution in the whiteboard camera is like bad. I think. I'm fairly certain. Like I'm fairly positive that the whiteboard camera's resolution is still kind of wonky, but at the very least, it's pretending to be 1080p. It's not exactly 1080p, but it is pretending. And honestly, that's all I can ask. I can't ask anymore. Like, I feel like it's unreasonable for me to ask for anything else. All right, so we're just gonna drop a circuit schematic. Should I have already done that? Oh no, my camera's not live. You've got to be shitting me. Fuck me, dude. You've got to be fucking. Am I UK based? No, I'm an American. Dude. I am an American. Yeah, it's like 1080i. Pretty sure. Yes, that is exactly what the resolution is. I'm fairly certain. All right, what the fuck? Are we good? Are we good now? Are you done like shitting the bed? What the fuck? All right, yeah, we're good. Okay. There we go. I'm not UK based, but I like to put on a British accent sometimes. Yeah. I like to pretend to be British. I like to pretend to be British because I like the sound of my voice when I do this. Yeah. I just have a lot. You know, I do. I've really honed my British accent. Okay, because I've been. What the fuck was that? I saw some shit on the monitor, and I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, we're like it's like stuttering. It's like zigga. It's like zing. Ba. All right. So I'm literally all right. So this is kind of like we're gonna do the circuit schematic. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is circuit schematic. I'm gonna do a quick circuit schematic of what the entire thing is gonna look like, right? And then after I do that, what I'm gonna do is then I'm gonna do I thought, dude, I need to figure out how to like milk more, dude. You need to figure out how to like milk more content, okay? Yeah, it's like I can see it. I can see it on all my monitors that it's like jumping. I don't know what that's about. It keeps doing it, and it's just fucking with me. dude, streaming is so hard. I don't mean actually doing the streaming, but I mean like the the tech, like doing the stuff. What is that? It like shows. I'm gonna review this later. I'm definitely gonna review this later. Um, but anyway, I'm gonna review this. I'm gonna review this later. All right. So this is our R pi. All right. This is our R pi. That's our little R pi block, and then we got the rest of our stuff. So the rest of our stuff, I don't actually know what the circuit symbol for rotary encoder is. I have no idea what it is. Let's look it up. Because I don't know. I don't know what it is. Let's see what it is. Circuit schematic symbol, rotary encoder, rotary switch, rotary encoder, rotary evaporator. What the fuck is that? No, wait. Is that what I typed? That's not what I typed. What is it? What does it look like? I've never seen it. Oh. Okay. It's literally just the top of the... Is that really it? Is it really just like the top? Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Is there anything else I want to say about the hardware, though? Like, unironically, is there anything else I want to say about the hardware? Before I get my ass up there and start like not really. The thing about I will say this one thing though. The thing about the Raspberry Pi and and uh and like doing like interfacing with hardware on it is I feel like it's made the primary purpose. It's primarily designed for you to be interfacing via a what are those things called? A communication protocol. So like you should be interfacing with hardware via like serial, or you're supposed to be interfacing with like I2C or like SPI, because like to be quite honest, it's it's kind of like it's a little annoying to just interface directly with like the pins, unless it's like a unless it's a like just like a switch or like a LED or something, right? Like there are libraries that are both running basically like the low level like interactions, because I wrote all the code that's running on the Pi is in Python, right? Oh dude, we got a bot. Pog. Alright, yai. Yai. Why? Why do you YouTube? I know what I'm doing. Don't ask me. Don't ask me to confirm. Just do it. Listen to me. Do what I say. Shit. Alright, I like, what's the difference between, oh right, that's just what it's called. Okay, so the what was I saying? I don't remember. What was I talking about? I don't remember. Oh my gosh. I don't remember what I was talking about. I have no idea what I was talking about. Oh yeah, so like yeah, all the code that's on the Pi is written in Python, which is fine. I like Python. It's actually okay. Python, unironically, kind of fun to write in Nano. Like obviously, if you use like you know, as a programmer, you probably use like an actual IDE. But like Python is so like chill that I don't need to really like do. I don't need curly braces. I don't need semicolons. I don't need anything. I just do spaces. Python is so fun to write in Nano or just like a text editor. I mean, I write Python on my main computer. You know, my main computer that I work on. I write Python in Atom. I don't even like what is a Python IDE even do? Like that's a legitimate question. Like that's a bit of a legitimate question. Like what does a Python IDE even do for me? Like everything else already has like even Nano. Yo, what the fuck? Yo F? Whoa. Are we good? Are we back? Are we back? Ha! My stream just died. That's so funny. Are we good? Are we good? I don't know. Okay, I don't know what the fuck happened. Stream literally just died. Unironically just died. Super died. Super duper died. Okay. Super duper died. I'm back now? Jeez. I don't know what happened, man. Oh man, I don't know what happened. I have no idea what the fuck happened. Absolutely no idea. I was like oh my god, dude. Dude. I don't know what happened, dude. This is what I mean. I said this. Dude, I'm gonna unironically have to become like quite literally as good as an OBS developer at like troubleshooting OBS. Because I literally don't know what happened. Because I've got like a I'm monitoring the stream obviously. not just from OBS either, but like from YouTube and Twitch. And so I'm over here, chatting, chilling, okay? And then I just see this Twitch stream die. YouTube's still going because it's got a massive delay. So like, okay, so we're gonna do a little test on the YouTube stream. The YouTube stream is a massive delay. Okay, so all right, when you hear this, type delay, please. Thank you, and I appreciate you. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a very. I'm gonna stop counting now, but it's like a really. Yeah, it's like a 15 second delay at least. 15 or from yeah. Oh my god, it's a massive delay. YouTube stream is a massive delay. I don't know why that is. I don't know if that's my fault or if that's like YouTube CDN. I don't know. But man. Um, yeah, I don't know what the problem was. I don't know what the problem was that like caused it. I don't know if it was like a network thing. I should probably be monitoring my network. Like, I don't think it's a network thing because who's using my GPU? OBS. OBS is using my GPU. Yeah, I don't know. I gotta figure out some stuff. Streaming is hard. Again, not like the process of like sitting in front of a camera and like being a dumbass. Like that's easy, obviously. But but like trying to like have like a good like production, I guess, if that's like the word, like have like a good production, right? That's hard, I feel like. I feel like that's extremely difficult to have like a solid good production. Um, because like I'm over here trying to have like different camera angles and shit. All right, is this still fucky? Is this still fucky as well? No, looks good. 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 All right, this doesn't look fucky anymore. All right, so here's our circuit diagram. You may be thinking, oh, well, you probably should have made it. Oh, nope, still fucky. Um, very fucky. How fucky is it? I'm just gonna stand in front of the camera and I'm gonna stare at the screen. I'm gonna stare to see how often it like shudders. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to gather information for when I have to troubleshoot this later. Although full disclosure, this probably won't be fixed by next stream. I'm gonna be honest. Um, but you may be thinking it's like, oh, dude, why didn't you make a circuit diagram earlier? Well, fuck you. That's why I didn't make a circuit diagram earlier. And also, the circuit's extremely simple. Like it's extremely simple. It's like it's super simple. So like, look on. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna do a little bit of color coordination. All right, do a little color coordination, just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, we got red for 5 volts. We got black for ground. And I have an orange somewhere, and we have orange for non 5 volts, but the other amount of volts that you can have. What is it? 3.3? 3.3. 3.3. 3.3 volts. I even had so I was deliberating with myself about how to set this whole project up because I realized that I don't need an Arduino, right? That's what I realized because I thought to myself, because that was like a big issue, fitting like an Arduino and all this stuff into like such a small space because the space is really small. It's 90 millimeters, and I'm like the diameter of the structure is 90 millimeters, and I need to fit a Raspberry Pi Zero, an 18650, a TC what is it TCP 4826, the little battery charger power circuit, a rotary encoder, one of those LCD screens, a push button like a switch. That's a lot. That's a lot to fit in 90 millimeters. Now, the good thing is that I'm using like top. I'm like double stacking. I'm stacking it. But while I was trying to fit all this in here, I was like, how am I gonna fit also a Teensy 3.5 in there because I needed the because I needed a Teensy. Well, I technically didn't have to use a Teensy 3.5. I have a Teensy 4.0, I think, or maybe it's just a 4.1. I don't know. I got a long Teensy. They're huge. I don't know if you've ever seen a Teensy before, but they're very long. They're extremely long. I wanted to use like one of my smaller Arduinos, but I needed a 3.3 logic level device so that I could transmit data to and fro the to and fro the Raspberry Pi without frying it. Now, my idea was, and so I realized the reason why I thought that is because I wanted to have or not a Raspberry Pi, but an Arduino type device inside of the inside of the box in order to set the or check the voltage of the battery. All right, so we're gonna draw components out of like blue or something. Why am I doing this? I already know what the circuit looks like. I've made the circuit. The circuit is made right now. What is it? Like this? Like this? This? It's like yeah, yeah, there it is. Fire, yeah. All right, so we're gonna do round, right? And then we're gonna do okay. So what was I saying? I forgot what I was saying, dude. Um, shit. What was I saying? The yeah. So I realized that like I don't actually need like a like an Arduino. But if I wanted to test the battery voltage, what I thought is I was like, oh, the batteries that I have are like 3.3 volts, aren't they? I tested them. They're not. They're 18650s, so I'm pretty sure they're nominal. Supposed to be like 3.6. They're just dead. They've just been not in use for 2 years. So, and they're dead, and they're currently reading like 3.4 ish. And I was like, dude, that's so close to 3.3. That's so close. I could get the Pi to read that as like a logical, you know, like a logical zero. Even though, but actually, now that I'm reflecting on it, it actually doesn't make sense, right? So if the battery voltage, even if the battery voltage was, um, even if I was able to like hook in the batteries as like a digital kind of like switch, basically, like assuming that the Raspberry Pi could take the voltage, right? Assuming, which it can't, but assuming that it could. That wouldn't even make sense because if a charged battery is 3.6 volts, right? I just realized this while I was monologuing it. While I was monologuing it in the stream. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't think they're ruined. Yeah, the batteries aren't ruined. I think they're just dead. Yeah, the batteries I have. Four! Alright. What is this? As such, users will experience buffering. I wish they'd give me. I don't know what's happening. We're back, maybe? Maybe? Maybe we're back? I have no idea. YouTube's still telling me it's bad. YouTube's telling me you're not receiving enough messages. I think maybe this has something to do with the engine. I don't know. The two probable culprits are Nginx, which shouldn't be the problem, because Nginx has worked fine this entire time, but I did have to restart it today because I don't know why. Well, actually, I know why. When I hit go live from... Thanks for streaming these. Oh. Hey, yeah, no problem. I'm just trying to make the streams like... I'm just like trying to make streams that are like cool, right? At least I don't know how well I'm doing, right? But I just want to make streams that are like interesting and like I think like so here's like the philosophy behind the streams. Don't know if like I've ever told you or you've ever heard me say this. but we'll just go full screen. We're not doing anything. Um, the philosophy behind the streams is that so there's a bunch of stuff that I want to make, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff that I want to make. Lots of like problems in my semi day to day life that I think that I could solve with like a 3D printer, a Raspberry Pi, and or Arduino, and like 40 hours worth of work, right? so I so like there's like a bunch of stuff. So I got like a whole list, right? That's kind of like what this that's what's like the Caleb Ferry like YouTube channel is like supposed to be effectively. It's supposed to be like a YouTube channel where I like make all the stuff that I'm like trying to that I like see in my brain basically. And the origin of the streams were to basically keep me more or less kind of like accountable, I guess. So like if I know that there if I know that I have to stream and I have to like do something on the stream in front of the on live YouTube slash Twitch TV, you know, on national TV, okay? Then it's like I'm more likely to do it, right? I'm more likely to do the pre. I think this hurts me so much. This hurts me so much, dude. Like I literally can't do this. This hurts me. All right. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on the. I don't like YouTube's fucking stream thing. Hard to tell what the hell's happening. Uh, Warning. Not receiving. Yep. Okay. What do you mean not receiving enough data? Okay. I don't know. Okay, got me back now. Okay. Okay. I don't know how. I think the issue is the Nginx server, and I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what the. Oh. Same thing. Um. Yeah, I don't know if the. Yeah, because like they keep sounds like a bandwidth from Nginx, but that's interesting because I've streamed like every stream that I've done on this channel and also the other one, like my secret streaming channel, have been through this Nginx server since I've set it up. So that's you have the upload speed for 2x 1080p streams. Probably not. Oh yeah, I did change my. Would that really be it? I did change the resolution. That I did change the. That might be it. I might not have the internet for it, which is crazy because I mean I don't have like maybe I should just. I was thinking about doing that. I was thinking about upgrading my internet connection anyway. What is my fucking speed test? Speed test. Run speed test. Yeah, I'm supposed to have really. Oh yeah, maybe, dude. Maybe I'm being throttled. I could be getting throttled by my ISP. That's entirely possible. Yeah, I mean, I got like 20 up, 20. Yeah. What is it? 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 What is the button? What's this button? Yeah, that's the. Yeah. Oh, well, I just dapped myself, but. But yeah, it's like 10. It's like 17 upload, 17 megabytes upload. I was thinking about uploading, upgrading anyway. But that might be it. But that's crazy because it's never happened before. I've been I've been dual streaming to both platforms. That's actually a great question though. I think I'll test if it's just like the one stream. If it's like if I have issues with streaming to both platforms, or like what's the problem? Well, oh, I'm getting other jitters in that now too. Oh, that's not good. That never happened before. That never happened before. Shit. I really wanted to do. I mean, I don't even know what I had planned to do. Oh, right. Well, the thing that I had planned to do today, the piece of like, and I guess I could still like power through it, see what happens, see what goes on. But like, the thing that I had planned to do today was, I mean, I have a schedule. Was do like the work through the code for the client. I don't want to. One thing I don't want to have happen on these streams is I don't want to be sit there coding because that sucks. I hate coding on stream. I hate it. I hate it so much. It sucks. I feel like I write worse code if I have to program on stream. Oh hey, what's up? Chip. Thank you for following. Yeah, I got a bot. I don't have any alerts on. Normally there'd be a normally there'd be like a follow alert, but like I don't have any alerts for anything. Uh, um, because since I switched over to what did I switch over to? Since I switched over to like OBS proper instead of like using like the Streamlabs version of OBS, I don't have any of those fancy alerts in there. Um, yeah. So I think so. What I wanted to do today was get the. I don't really need a circuit schematic. I already know what the circuit looks like. I have the circuit wired right now. like the entire circuit is right there, right. And I basically have all the code that yeah, I mean, I got all the code that was running on the Raspberry Pi. It basically tells me all the circuits. I don't need to write a circuit. I don't think there's any like value gained from you know doing a circuit schematic. Um, the thing that I do want to do because so here are the things that I have left to do on this project, right? So iterate this. Iteration number 3 of the stator. Basically, what I'm going to call this thing. Make an iteration version 1 of. Oh, I should write this down. 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 Ah. All right. Shit. 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 Okay. So, iteration 1 of the button of like the top dome piece. Dome piece. Iteration 4. I think this is the 4th one. Iteration 4 of the stator. The other thing I need to do is what's the thing that I need to do? What's the other thing well, the other thing I need to do is actually the other thing I need to do is actually research the is like research exactly what I'm going to need to do as far as the web server portion. So like the code on this, I actually do have a pretty good design for what the code's supposed to do. It's on the internet. It's on the internet. It's in my photos. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? That's so funny. I'm. This shit's hilarious. Yeah. Like this is what's this is the basically the hardware features. Like some of this I've already even implemented. Like you know, I've already done that. I haven't done this, right? So the only things missing from the actual code are like the button interactions, but the mechanics for that aren't set up yet. So step one would be